Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on that Mercedes E-Class, guys, and we tried to connect the diagnostic to the scanner, OBD scanner, and it doesn't work. It doesn't want to power on. So I want to show you guys how to fix that. It's very common to have that problem. I've heard some shops, dealers even, do that, so you cannot do the diagnostics yourself. Okay, and it's not complicated procedure at all. Let me show you now. Okay, this is the OBD scanner, and it should light up when we connect it to the vehicle. Okay, and as you know, the OBD port is right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect it. Okay, and nothing. I'm going to turn the key on. Okay, the key is on, and we have absolutely no communication with the scanner. Okay, so let me show you what the problem is now. If you have that thing, how to fix it and how to be able to scan the code, scan for engine light or anything else. So if you open that cover, okay, right there on the side of the dash, you'll be looking for one specific fuse. And I heard that dealers and shops sometimes, not all of them of course, will remove that fuse or burn it on purpose. So it should be fuse number 30, 7.5 amps for this specific model. Okay, this one is 30 right here, and ours is missing. So now we need to go ahead, okay, put it in and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, the fuse is in. We're going to install the cover. Okay, perfect. Let's connect the diagnostic to now. Okay, and it powered right up, guys. Check it out, even without turning the key on. So that definitely fixes the problem. That way you can communicate with the computer now, and you can do diagnostics. So that will be all, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful to some of you that need that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.